Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for you. I want to share with you my keto cupcakes, and I think it's going to be amazing. Most people think that when you're on keto, all you're eating is leafy green vegetables and protein. But you can have some delicious desserts, cupcakes, the things that you love, and still stay within your carb count. So we're going to get into it. Come on, let's go. These are ingredients for our keto cupcake. It's going to be fun. We're going to do a few variations. We're going to do some cupcakes with fruit. We're going to do some chocolate chips, different varieties. Lilly's has amazing chocolate chips. You would think you are eating Cadbury. But anywho, let's get started. First, you're going to take your 3 eggs because we're making 12 cupcakes for our first batch. So I'm going to move this over to the side, and I preheated. I'm going to bring my cupcake cups. I found these at Home Goods. They're so cute. I was like, why not use them? So that way I don't have to use a cupcake pan. Now, we're going to spoon in our batter. And you could use any spoon that you have around that you know will give you equal parts. So I'm going to do like the first batch. I want raspberries in my cupcakes. I want a few blueberries in there as well. Strawberry is my favorite. And I only used about 3 strawberries in total. I'm not even using all of it, as you could see. And then we have some Lilly's white chocolate. Cupcakes are out the oven. Look how beautiful. So these are chocolate raspberries. I love a strawberry. And we have just the plain white chocolate on that one. So I made some lemon icing. And you're like, icing for keto? Beep. I'm going to put this on the top. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe and enjoy your keto cupcakes. Have a great day.